We're more expensive than other shops because we have mastered all of these skills that eventually lead us to a very well done finished product. The attention to detail that we have versus other shops is night and day. We just check boxes that other shops don't even know that they should be checking. And we stand behind all of our work. We offer a 3-year workmanship warranty on our powder coat. We offer the same on our curb rash repairs. There's always the customer that brings us wheels that are not worth fixing. And we could choose to take his money and just fix his wheels and charge him, $700, $800, $1,000 for wheels that are not worth a couple hundred. But when that happens, we always take the approach of, hey, you probably could replace these for less, and we'll even go a step further, and here's a link on the internet to the wheels that you should replace them with for less than what we would charge to refinish them. All that stuff kind of, in my opinion, adds up to being worth more money.